Hello guys, I am so excited and happy to share my very favorite recipe with you all today, made with oats and pumpkin seeds. So let's get started. Powder pepita seeds or pumpkin seeds and oats and keep aside. In a bowl, add whole wheat flour, cocoa powder, brown sugar, baking soda and baking powder. Sift all the ingredients and discard lumps if any. Mix sifted ingredients very well. Now it's time to add in our powdered oats and pepitas. Mix evenly. Mixing helps in aerating the flour. Once it is mixed, keep aside. In a large bowl, add oil, then add condensed milk. Using spatula, start mixing it gently for about 5 minutes. Then add curds. Keep mixing slowly and gradually increase the speed. This step will take 7 to 8 minutes till it is evenly mixed. In a small bowl, add chocolate chips along with butter and high in 30-second intervals and until chips are melted. Bring in the bowl with condensed milk mixture and add in the melted chocolate. Give a very good stir. Once it mixes well, it will be glossy and smooth, just like this. Now add vanilla extract and give a good mix. Start adding half of the sifted flour in chocolate mix. Using spatula, mix sifted ingredients gently into chocolate. Ensure that is mixed in one direction. Mix for 2 to 3 minutes, then add half of milk. Mix again. Using spatula in same direction. This cake is ideal for breakfast or with evening tea or coffee, and it tastes amazing. Once flour is mixed, add in remaining flour and repeat the mixing process. Add in the remaining milk also. Mix gently till it is well combined and there are no lumps. This will take total mixing time of 8 to 10 minutes. It is all coming well together. It is my favorite cake made with beautiful ingredients. It has the goodness of pumpkin seeds, oats and whole wheat. Now dissolve instant coffee in water and add in the cake mix. Mix again till well combined. This is really satisfying to do. This looks perfect. Transfer cake batter into greased tin. Level the cake batter using spatula. Give a good tap to release any air bubbles. Add some seed mix of your choice. You can also put dry fruits like walnuts, raisins, cashews, almonds. Bake at 170 degrees centigrade for 20 minutes. Then cover the top of the cake and bake for 15 minutes or until the toothpick inserted comes out clean. Once the cake is at room temperature, unmolded, transfer in a serving dish. Pumpkin seeds are a rich source of healthy fats, antioxidants and minerals too. This looks amazing. Slice and serve. This cake will be slightly denser and crumbly in texture, but it is great in taste and rich in fiber as well. So do give it a try and let me know how it turned out for you. If you have liked this video recipe, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.